Hi everyone, in this video we're going to cover the CD with this beautiful fabric. Now make a hole and put these sticks inside. After this we're going to bend all the sticks and paste more around it using double-sided tape, or you can also use hot glue gun. Here we are going to braid all of them like we are doing here and make a plate like structure. Again we are going to bend all the sticks upward like this, and again start covering it using this jute rope like this and make a basket like this. Add more lace around it. Now we are going to cut the lace and cover the sticks as well like this. Cover all of them and paste pearls at the tip of it for more decoration like we are doing here. And look, it is ready. You can place your keys and different other stuff on the top of it, and look, your beautiful stand is ready. You can also make it as bangle stand. Here we are going to make this beautiful frame using bamboo sticks and jute rope. So we are going to cover the sticks using this bamboo and make a frame. Paste all of them using hot glue gun. After this we are going to put these jute rope on the top of it and collect some dry leaves and decorate it like we are doing here. Add more flowers and leaf to the frame. Paste all of them together like this, and look, it is ready. You can use it as decor piece. You can also hang it on the wall. In this video, we're going to use these materials and make a beautiful basket. First, paste the fabric on the top of this plate using double-sided tape. Now we are going to cover it from its side as well. We are using this white rope. Now paste these sticks on the top of it. Bend all of them like this. It will give a nice look to the basket. Now we are going to roll this thread around these sticks and put beads inside it for more decoration like we are doing here. Now we are going to use different color of thread, like we are using here blue color and then white color thread. You can use whatever color you like. We are also decorating it by putting these beautiful lace and beads on the handle. Cover the handle using this rope like this, and look, we are doing here, we are going to combine both the handles together, and look at this beautiful and colorful basket. It is ready. In this video, we're going to make coasters using this transparent sheet. So cover the sheet using this fabric and paste sticks around it like we're doing here. You can use bamboo sticks and normal sticks as well. After this, we're going to cover it using this jute rope. We're going to put the fabric around these sticks like we're doing here. Use colorful thread like this and cut the extra part of the sticks using a scissor. Decorate it by pasting lace around it, and look, your coaster is ready. You can make more such colorful coasters at home. Here we are going to make these containers. So paste this fabric on the circle and paste sticks around it. Here we are using hot glue gun. You can use normal stick as well. Now we are going to cover it using this pink thread. Paste the thread first and put it around the alternate sticks like this. Roll it and repeat the same process. You can use colorful thread in place of this like we are doing here. Cover it from the top as well. Paste a beautiful lace around it. Put this doll and balloons and flowers on the top of it, and look, your containers are ready. You can make more such colorful containers.